Hello friends. So in this video I would like to discuss about very important topic, that is extraordinary general meeting, in short EGM. ओके, इसके पिछले वाले वीडियो में हम लोग पढ़े थे अबाउट एनुअल जनरल मीटिंग, अबाउट फास्ट एजीएम, हाउ टू conduct of AGM, a report of annual general meeting, and what are the punishment system. And as we know that every company other than an OPC shall in each year held a general meeting as its AGM, and first AGM is to be conducted with 9 months from the date of the first financial year of the company. The report of AGM shall be filed with the registrar within 30 days of the conclusion of AGM, and AGM is not to be conducted on a national holiday. Okay, that is, it will be conducted in business day, and business hour is 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Okay, so and now in this video I will like to discuss about extraordinary general meeting. What do you mean by extraordinary general meeting? As per section 100 of the act mentioned that the board may, whenever it deems fit, call an extraordinary general meeting of the company. जब कंपनी को ज़रूरत होगा, इन दैट केस बोर्ड डिसाइड करेगा एंड कॉल फॉर एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी जनरल मीटिंग ऑफ द कंपनी. द एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी जनरल मीटिंग ऑफ द company other than of the wholly owned subsidiary of a company incorporated outside India shall be held at a place within India. The board shall call the extraordinary general meeting at the requisition made by, in the case of a company having share capital, such number of members who hold on the date of receipt of requisition not less than 1/10 of such of the paid of share capital of the company as on that date carry the right of voting. In the case of a company not having a share capital, such number of members who have on the date of receipt of the requisition not less than 1/10 of the total voting power of all the members having on the said date a right to vote. Okay, so in this way the board shall call the extraordinary general meeting. Then the requisition shall set out the matters for the consideration of which the meeting is to be held. Rule 17 of Companies Management and Administration of 2014 gives the procedure for the same as follows. First, the requisition shall be in writing or through electronic mode and at least clear 21 days prior to the proposed date of such extraordinary general meeting. The requisition shall be in writing or through electronic mode and at least clear 21 days prior to the proposed date of such extraordinary general meeting. The notice shall specify the place, date, day and hour of the meeting. The notice shall contain the business to be transacted at the meeting. If the resolution is proposed as a special resolution, the notice shall be given as required under section 114 subsection 2. Then the notice shall be signed by all the requisitionists or by a requisitionist duly authorized in writing by all other requisitionists on their behalf, or by sending an electronic request attaching therewith a scanned copy of such duly signed requisition. Clear? The notice shall be sent to the registered office of the company. As per section 100 subsection 4 provides that the board is to proceed to call a meeting for the consideration of the matter within 21 days of the receipt of a valid requisition. Then the meeting shall be conducted within 45 days. Within 45 days from the date of receipt of a valid requisition, the notice of the meeting shall be given to those members whose names appear in the register of members. मेंबर को नोटिस दिया जाएगा जिसके नेम अपीयर होगा रजिस्टर में ऑफ द कंपनी विदिन 3 days ऑन व्हिच रिक्वेशनिस्ट डिपॉजिट विद द कंपनी ए वैलिड रिक्वेशन फॉर कॉलिंग एन एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी जनरल मीटिंग. क्लियर. इफ द बोर्ड डज नॉट कंडक्ट द मीटिंग विद इन द स्टिपुलेटेड टाइम, अगर बोर्ड ने मीटिंग कंडक्ट नहीं किए विद इन द स्टिपुलेटेड टाइम, जो भी टाइम फिक्स हुआ है, then in that case the requisitionist themselves conduct the meeting. जो रिक्वेशनिस्ट है वो उसके अंदर एक मीटिंग कंडक्ट करेंगे विदिन 3 months फ्रॉम द डेट ऑफ रिक्वेशन. जब रिक्वेशन डेट भेजा गया उसके 3 महीने के अंदर अंदर एक मीटिंग कंडक्ट करेंगे. द रिक्वेशनिस्ट शैल हैव ए राइट टू रिसीव द लिस्ट मेंबर्स टुगेदर विद their registered address and number of shares held. The company is bound to give the list of members together with their registered address made as on 21st day from the date of receipt of valid requisition together with such modification if any, then before the expiry of 45 days from the date of receipt of a valid requisition. This is the procedure. The notice of the meeting shall be given by speed post. Remember, the notice of the meeting shall be given by speed post or registered post or through electronic mode. Any accidental omission to give notice to or the non-receipt of such notice by any shareholder, any member shall not invalidate the proceedings of the meeting. अगर रिसिप्ट नहीं मिला भी और ओमिशन भी हो गया है, कुछ एक्सीडेंटल ओमिशन जिसको कहते हैं, इन दैट केस एनी मेंबर शैल नॉट इनवैलिडेट द प्रोसीडिंग ऑफ द मीटिंग. एज पर सेक्शन 100 सबसेक्शन 6 मेंशन दैट एनी रीजनेबल एक्सपेंसेस इनकर्ड बाय द रिक्वेशनिस्ट इन कॉलिंग ए मीटिंग शैल बी रीइंबर्स्ड टू द रिक्वेशनिस्ट बाय द कंपनी एंड द सम सो पेड शैल बी less from any fee or other remuneration payable to such directors who were in default in calling the meeting. जो भी रीजनेबल खर्चा हुआ है रिक्वेशनिस्ट के द्वारा इन कॉलिंग ए मीटिंग अरेंजमेंट करने में, वो सब रीइंबर्समेंट हो जाएगा बाय द कंपनी and the sum so paid shall be less from any fee or other remuneration payable to such director. उस कंपनी के डायरेक्टर को जो रिम्यूनरेशन दिया जा रहा है और फिर एनी फी, वो फी और रिम्यूनरेशन से लेस हो जाएगा वो रिक्वेशनिस्ट के जो फी थे हु वर इन डिफॉल्ट इन कॉलिंग द मीटिंग, जो भी डिफॉल्ट है कॉलिंग इन मीटिंग. क्लियर. सो दिस इज इट ऑल अबाउट एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी जनरल मीटिंग. एंड नाउ वी हैव टू डिस्कस ऑल द मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन as well as all the long type question. First, fill in the blanks. Number 1, the board shall conduct the EGM at the requisition made by not less than dash of such of dash of the company if the company is having share capital. So, as you know that the board shall conduct the EGM at the requisition made by not less than 1/10. Remember, not less than 1/10 of such of paid of share of such of paid up share capital of the company, paid up share capital of the company, paid up share capital of the company if the company is having share capital. Clear. Then number 2, the board is to be proceed to call a EGM within dash days of the receipt of a valid requisition. क्लियर 21 डेज अभी अभी हम लोग पढ़ रहे थे इसके ऊपर. द बोर्ड इज टू प्रोसीड टू कॉल ए EGM विद इन क्लियर 21 डेज ऑफ द रिसीव्ड ऑफ ए वैलिड रिक्वेशन. वैलिड रिक्वेशन रिसीव करने के बाद विथ क्लियर 21 डेज द बोर्ड इज required to proceed to call a EGM. Okay, EGM means extraordinary general meeting and AGM annual general meeting. Remember, EGM extraordinary general meeting, AGM annual general meeting. Clear? So then number 3, the EGM shall be conducted by the board within dash from the date of receipt of a valid requisition. The right answer will be 45 days. The EGM shall be conducted by the board within 45 days. Within 45 days from the date of receipt of a valid requisition. Clear? Number 4. If the board does not conduct the EGM, the requisitionists themselves conduct the meeting within dash from the date of requisition. अभी भी हम लोग इसके बारे में पढ़ रहे थे. कि अगर if the board does not conduct the meeting within the stipulated time, the requisitionist, इसमें पढ़ लेते हम, if the board does not conduct the meeting within the stipulated time, the requisitionist themselves conduct the meeting within 3 months. Within 3 months from the date of requisition. Okay. So, if the board does not conduct the EGM, the requisitionists themselves conduct the meeting within 3 months from the date of requisition. Then number 5, the company is bound to give the list of members with their registered address before the expiry of dash from the date of receipt of a valid requisition. So the right answer will be 45 days. मेंबर के जितने भी मेंबर है कंपनी के, कंपनी इज बाउंड टू गिव सच लिस्ट ऑफ ऑल द शेयर होल्डर एजेंसी और मेंबर्स with their registered address before the expiry of clear 45 days from the date of receipt of a valid requisition. Okay, so in this way I have discussed all the multiple choice questions. Now model questions. Number 1, discuss the procedure in completely for the conduct of extraordinary general meeting. कैसे extraordinary general meeting किया जाता है उसके ऊपर एक briefly explain करना है. Procedure in details for the conduct of extraordinary general meeting, brief as well as completely. Okay, so this question is very important. So in this way I have discussed all the annual general meeting topic and extraordinary general meeting and also its multiple choice question and long type question. इसके नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे डायरेक्टर, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक, डायरेक्टर एंड कंपनी टू हैव बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर, हाउ मेनी नंबर ऑफ डायरेक्टर रिक्वायर in case of public company and in case of private company, and what are the obligation of the company in case of director, types of director, how many types of director, where women director required to be appointed. इंडिपेंडेंट डायरेक्टर का रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी क्या है, व्हाट आर द क्वालिफिकेशंस ऑफ डायरेक्टर, एंड व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर, होल टाइम डायरेक्टर, फास्ट डायरेक्टर, एडिशनल डायरेक्टर, alternate director, appointment of director, how to reappointment of director, how to rotate of directors, what do you mean by director identification number, that is called dean. Okay, what are the disqualification for appointment of director, what are the disqualification for appointment of director, and vacation of office of a director, what are the procedure for resignation of a director, how to remove a director, a register of director and key manager personnel, that is called KMP. इसके ऊपर हम लोग वीडियो पोस्ट करेंगे. हाउ टू फाइल रिटर्न, इंस्पेक्शन ऑफ रजिस्टर, व्हाट आर द पनिशमेंट प्रोसीजर, अपॉइंटमेंट ऑफ मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर, होल टाइम डायरेक्टर, एंड व्हाट आर द रिम्यूनरेशन ऑफ डायरेक्टर, पावर ऑफ द बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर. ये सब हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में पढ़ेंगे. ओके, सो फॉर नाउ this is it, all about extraordinary meeting. Thank you so much for your time and thank you so much for your support.